Hello, this is Katie Johnson. Today I'm going to show you what was in the March 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit. For anyone who has ever been curious about what these kits contain, they contain everything. This is the directions. The directions come with pictures and words to show you how to complete the projects. The projects in this kit happen to be cards. They are not always cards. For this kit, there were 3 different designs. When the kit contains cards, you'll get the card bases. So you fold them up. They also come with matching envelopes. This kit had 3 cards, and look how cute these were. The theme, as you can tell, was rain, rainy days, April showers bring May flowers. So in addition to the card bases and envelopes, if it happens to be a card kit, you're also going to get other things to make the card pretty. So for this particular one, there was some twine. These are little self-adhesive things. These are dimensionals to raise things up. You're going to get other imagery to help make your card pretty. In this case, it was a bunch of just punch-out things. The images here are going to coordinate with the stamp set. Every card kit comes with a stamp set. This one happened to be the anniversary set because we are 7 years going on. Oh my gosh, 7 years going on with these kits, which is great. So they had 2 stamp sets that you got with this one. And look how cute these are. So it's matching imagery. You've got these boots here, and then you've got stamps that match it, and other things to just make it kind of pretty and go along with it. Little flowers, a basket, door. You can't buy this one anymore, so there's no sense in me going through all of that, except to tell you that every kit is going to come with, and it's going to come with a little ink pad. You're going to get a different color each month. You get all of the paper supplies you need. You get all of the additional supplies that you need to pretty up the card. So every kit is going to have something like this, which punch out shapes where you can put your words on it and do some layering on the card. So yeah, you're going to get pretty projects every time. A complete kit. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will leave a link in the description if you are interested in subscribing. But really, for 20 bucks a month, this is an amazing deal to get a complete kit. It's cheap entertainment.